Hi there, students. To vouch or to support, both verbs, notice particularly to vouch for. Okay, to vouch for something is to be able to say that you know this is true. Your knowledge or experience tell you that this is true and valid. Yeah, so I can vouch for the fact that this is true. I would like to vouch for him. Okay, so if you vouch for someone, you give a guarantee that they are a good person. You give your guarantee that this is valid to verify that they are a good person. So I will vouch for his good conduct. Okay, to vouch for, or the fact that you watch my videos vouches for the fact that you have a high level of English, because my videos are not easy to understand. So, to vouch for, to constitute supporting evidence for. So his record of successes vouches for his ability. So in a way, it supports. Okay, to support means to agree with, to give encouragement to someone or something, because you want it to succeed or you want them to succeed. So I support this project. Yeah, I'm behind this project, but maybe I'm not going to vouch for this project because I can't say that I can guarantee it's going to work. Yeah, I'll support it, but I can't vouch for it. To vouch for it is like saying, I know, I'm certain this is true. I would stake my reputation on it. Yeah, so I vouch for the effectiveness of this medicine. Means I know from personal experience, or I know from my knowledge or from the science I've read, that this medicine works. I support the use of this medicine. This is saying I am behind it and I think it's good. Yeah, and I would recommend it, but maybe I wouldn't vouch for it because maybe sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah, but I still support it because I support the company that makes it. Maybe I vouch for a medicine that is not made ecologically, but I would support one that is made ecologically. Okay, so that the one you vouch for, you guarantee it's going to work. Whereas the one you support, this is talking about other things. Yeah, it has your own personal assurance or guarantee. Okay, so something vouches for something, it guarantees it, it proves it. Yeah, whereas it supports it, it lends weight to it, it gives some evidence towards it, but it's not absolute. So to vouch is 100%. To support, evidence that vouches for proves it completely. Evidence that supports doesn't prove it, but it makes the case stronger. Okay, so to vouch for, to take responsibility for, to express confidence in, to attest to. I vouch for his good character. Yeah, I promise everybody his character is good. His good character the way he lives vouches for his good character. Yeah, it's whereas I support him, I'm behind him, and I'm his supporter. I want to promote his interests. I want to vote for him. Yeah, to help. Okay, let's just look at support in other contexts because, for example, it has other meanings. To support, to stop something from falling. Yeah, that piece of wood supports the whole thing. Don't take it. or customer support to answer questions and resolve problems. Which football team do you support? Yeah, you back the cause. You are mentally behind them, but you're not going to vouch for the fact that they're going to win. You just support them. Okay, to support, to help, particularly financially. The government supports the arts. Yeah, maybe it doesn't vouch for how this money is spent, but it would like to. To support, to verify, to establish. So his testimony supports the charges, gives weight to. His testimony vouches for the charges. It proves they're true. Okay, so to vouch for, either to give somebody a recommendation to warrant that they are true. I can vouch that he paid the money. Yeah, I witnessed it. I saw it. Yeah. It's absolutely clear it's true. I bear witness to it. I vouch for it. I vouch for this person. I guarantee they're a good person. Whereas to support, to give encouragement to hope they're going to be successful, to help emotionally or in a practical way, to support, to give financial support, yeah, to give money to somebody so that they can survive, yeah, to help to show something is true, whereas to vouch shows absolutely that the thing is true. Okay, so to support, a regular verb. He supported the cause. He has supported the cause for many years. He vouched for me. He has vouched for me on many occasions. Okay, now formality. To support a 5 in formality, use it anywhere. To vouch for a 6, yeah, I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation. I guarantee, I promise that this is true. Yeah, I think vouch is a little bit more formal. Okay, as to origin, to support, from Old French supporter, from Latin supporto. Yeah, so I think sub, underneath, and porto, to carry. So to carry from underneath, to push up if you like. Whereas to vouch, this again comes from Old French voucher, which comes in itself from Latin vocare, from voco, I think, which is to call. Okay, so to call. Okay, so vouch and support. Vouch is much stronger, more absolute, whereas support is hope that this works. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To vouch for or to support.